What's this?
Volume and
Volume of what?
if you want to change the volume. Not the volume of the keys.
Oh, the volume of what? What do you... Well, I don't know. What do you mean the volume then?
The volume of your computer.
How would the keyboard have anything to do with the volume of the computer?
The technology.
I like the lights. Kind of makes the day feel more fun.
Can you just type anything?
Yeah, it does sound kind of nice. It sounds nice in my ears.
Can you keep typing, please?
It's a lot of pressure.
Just keep typing.
This does feel really satisfying.
Let's see the different effects that it has.
Okay.
So when you hit a key.
No, this makes me feel crazy. Kind of like the rainbow. I like one color too. No, that makes me feel like I'm tripping. Oh, this is like Christmas lights. This is a good one.
And you can change the colors too.
So you could change it for the holiday.